Welcome to From Boring to Brilliant. Transform your web forms with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this video, we will dive into the exciting world of web forms and show you how you can revolutionize their appearance and functionality. Whether you want to create a stunning contact form, a user-friendly login system, or a captivating survey, we have got you covered. So let's get started on this journey of turning boring forms into brilliant ones. Are your web forms dull, uninviting, and lacking user engagement? Don't worry, because we have the solution for you. In this video, we will teach you how to leverage the power of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to transform your web forms into visually stunning, highly interactive, and user-friendly experiences. The power of HTML forms. HTML provides the foundation for web forms by allowing us to create input fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down menus, and more. We'll start by exploring the different types of HTML form elements and how to structure them. You'll learn how to validate user input, handle form submissions, and even enhance the accessibility of your forms for users with disabilities. Supercharging with CSS. Next, we'll take a deep dive into CSS and discover how it can effortlessly uplift the appearance of your forms. We'll explore advanced styling techniques, including creating beautiful layouts, customizing form elements, and adding eye-catching animations. By the end of this section, you'll have the knowledge to create visually stunning forms that capture users' attention. Elevating interactivity with JavaScript. Now it's time to take your web forms to the next level by adding JavaScript interactivity. We'll cover various techniques such as form validation in real-time, dynamic form element manipulation, and data retrieval. With the help of JavaScript, you can provide instant feedback to users, create intelligent form behaviors, and ensure a seamless user experience. Enhancing user experience. Brilliant web form not only looks great but also provides an exceptional user experience. We'll explore techniques to improve form usability, such as smart autocomplete, progress indicators, and real-time feedback. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to reduce user frustration, increase form completion rates, and ultimately convert more visitors into satisfied customers. Outro. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to transform your web forms from boring to brilliant using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now it's time for you to unleash your creativity and create web forms that truly impress. Remember, by paying attention to design, functionality, and user experience, you can make a significant impact on your website or application. Thank you for watching From Boring to Brilliant. Transform your web forms with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting web development content. Until next time, happy coding!